When you think about improving energy efficiency in your Covington home, insulation and HVAC systems might come to mind first. But your windows play just as important a role, especially in your main living areas where large panes of glass often let in both light and heat. Picture windows, known for their expansive, fixed glass design, are not only beautiful but also highly energy efficient when built with modern technology. If you're considering an upgrade, here's how picture windows can help improve energy performance in your Covington living spaces. Fewer gaps, better insulation. One of the biggest advantages of picture windows is that they don't open. Unlike double-hung or sliding windows, picture windows are fixed in place. That means fewer moving parts, fewer seams, and fewer opportunities for air leaks. In Covington, where warm, humid weather can place extra strain on cooling systems, minimizing air leakage is critical. A tightly sealed picture window helps keep cool air inside and hot air outside. When professionally installed, these windows create a secure, insulated barrier that supports consistent indoor temperatures. Advanced glass technology. Modern picture windows are far more efficient than older single-pane models. Today's options typically include double or even triple-pane glass, which significantly reduces heat transfer. Between the panes, insulating gases like argon are used to slow down the movement of heat. This helps keep your living areas cooler during hot months and prevents unwanted temperature shifts. Low emissivity coatings are another key feature. These nearly invisible coatings reflect infrared heat while still allowing natural light to pass through. In Covington, this means you can enjoy bright, sun-filled rooms without overheating your interior spaces. Reducing solar heat gain. Living rooms often feature larger windows to maximize views and daylight. However, large glass areas can also allow significant solar heat gain if the windows aren't energy efficient. Picture windows with low E coatings and insulated glazing are specifically designed to limit this heat gain. By reflecting a portion of the sun's heat, they help maintain a comfortable indoor climate without overworking your air conditioning system. This reduction in solar heat gain directly contributes to lower energy consumption and monthly utility bills. Stabilizing indoor temperatures. Have you ever noticed that the space near your windows feels warmer than the rest of the room? That uneven temperature is often caused by inefficient glass. Energy-efficient picture windows help eliminate these hot spots by maintaining a consistent surface temperature. This creates a more balanced indoor environment, allowing you to fully enjoy your living area without constantly adjusting the thermostat. In Covington homes, where living rooms serve as central gathering spaces, this improved comfort makes a noticeable difference. Maximizing natural light without energy loss. Natural light enhances mood, highlights interior design, and reduces the need for artificial lighting. Picture windows excel at maximizing daylight thanks to their large, unobstructed panes. The beauty of modern energy-efficient picture windows is that they allow you to bring in more natural light without sacrificing insulation. You get the brightness you want without the added cooling costs that older windows might create. This balance between light and performance makes them ideal for living rooms, dining areas, and family spaces. Long-term savings and value. Upgrading to energy-efficient picture windows is an investment that pays off over time. Lower cooling costs, reduced HVAC strain, and improved comfort all contribute to long-term savings. Additionally, energy-efficient upgrades increase property value. For homeowners in Covington, modern windows are an attractive feature that signals quality and efficiency to potential buyers. A smart upgrade for Covington living areas. Picture windows offer the perfect blend of style and performance. Their fixed design enhances insulation, while advanced glass technology reduces heat transfer and energy loss. If you're looking to brighten your living areas while improving energy efficiency, modern picture windows provide a practical and beautiful solution. For Covington homeowners, they deliver comfort, savings, and lasting value, all in one elegant upgrade.